Question 5 asks you to change your assumptions about your terminal value. And so what they're saying is 10 years from today, you expect that the enterprise value to free cash flow ratio is 10 times per year 10 free cash flow, and then EV to sales is 5.4 times year 10 sales. Find the two terminal values and calculate the cash flows. Okay, so here's what we had for problem 4. Let me just write these assumptions in. So EV to free cash flow is 20. And then the second one is EV to sales is 5.4. Okay, so free cash flow in year 10 is this. Now, I don't have a terminal value here. Well, I was calculating that old terminal value based on this, but this is the free cash flow from year 10. And so that means that the value of the company would be 261 billion using this approach. Sales from year 10 is just going to be revenue. That's, by definition, the revenue comes from sales. And if you multiply this times 5.4, you get 259. All right, so let's take the average because the question asked for that. So this is the new terminal value. So I'm going to drop down and just start over at the bottom. In fact, let me white these out. Okay, so here's our free cash flow. And this is year 1. We're going to have a terminal value. Why did it go away? And it is going to be this. So that means the sum of the cash flows the PV of each of these cash flows is going to be that divided by 1 plus the discount rate, I'm sorry, is way up there, to the power of 1. The NPV is just going to be the sum of these. Our debt is 20, so that means our equity value is going to be our shares outstanding 0.185. So that means our price per share should be equity divided by shares outstanding, and we get 567.05. All right, so what we did here was we just read this very, very, very carefully in the problem, and we decided that the free cash flow was 13 in year 10. We needed to multiply that by 20. The sales number was 47.97. We needed to multiply that by 5.4. The question asked for us to take an average of those, so we did. We plug that in as the value in year 10. It's a little bit tricky because in this example, in question 4, we did the terminal value as of year 9, and the idea is that you hit a steady state cash flow here, and so you would calculate the value here. Using a multiples approach, you want to use it in the year in which the multiple is calculated, and so that's why we have this under year 10. We sum the cash flows and then get the present value. When we have the present value, this is also the enterprise value. We subtract our debt to get the equity value, and then the number of shares outstanding, if we just divide it, we get the price per share. Hope that helps.